Good morning, students. Class 11, Chapter 1. Today's topic is W by V percentage units. W by V, and it means weight, volume, units. I am taking today weight, volume, units of solution. It is the next consultation term of the solution. Weight, volume, units, or we can say that W by V percentage. W by V percentage. It means weight of solute. We will talk about the weight of solute in volume of solution. Definite volume of solution. Weight or number of weight of solute, number of parts by mass of solute dissolved in the definite volume of the solution is called as W weight volume unit of the solution. Okay, and first point I am taking molarity. This is the molarity, not molality, and boards it definitely comes in the board exam. Differentiate molarity and molarity. Okay, so first of I am taking molarity. What do you understand by molarity? Number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution is called its molarity. Okay, molarity. Number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution is called its molarity, and it is given by, it is expressed by capital M. It is expressed by capital M, and formula will be given capital M equal to moles of solute upon 1 liter of solution. It means volume of solution in liter. Okay, or we can say that this is the formula. Okay, or we can say that capital M equal to moles of solute divided by volume of solution. If volume of solution is given in milliliter ml, then you have to multiply this value by 1000 to change in the ml, to change into in ml. ml में change करने के लिए we have to multiply by this value by 1000. Okay, and moles of solute, we know that moles of solute will be equal to mass of solute, which is represented by WA, molar mass of solute, capital MA. Okay, so we will write this expressions in this formula. Okay, so then capital M will be equal to, in place of moles of solute, we will write mass of solute upon molar mass of solute, and it is represented by WA and capital MA. Correct? यहाँ पर मोल्स ऑफ सोल्यूट जो है WA से रिप्रेजेंटेड है, मोलर मास ऑफ सोल्यूट कैपिटल MA से है. दिस इज विल बी इक्वल टू मोल्स ऑफ सोल्यूट, एंड मोल्स ऑफ सोल्यूट की दिस ये वैल्यू जो है वो यहाँ पर सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देंगे मोल्स ऑफ सोल्यूट की प्लेस पर. ओके, तो कैपिटल M विल बी इक्वल टू WA अपॉन कैपिटल MA multiplied by volume. In place of volume, we will express it by capital V in liter of solution VSOL. We can write VSOL. SOL means solution in ml, correct, and multiplied by 8000 to change into liter. Okay, this is the formula of molarity. It is expressed by capital M. Okay, so in this way we can write the definition and the formula of the molarity. Now we will do the numerical on basis of molarity. Question is 2.8 gram of KOH are present in 200 ml solution. Calculate the molarity of solution. Molarity of solution. Okay. Now solution. Okay, first of all we will write the formula of molarity. We have to calculate the molarity. So molarity is represented by capital M will be equal to number of moles of solute WA upon capital M, MA multiplied by volume of solution in ml into 1000. This is the formula to calculate molarity, correct? First of all we will write the formula. Now which values are given in the question? We will see WA is given moles of weight of solute. WA is given how much? 2.8 gram, correct? Capital MA, molar mass of solute. Capital MA. What is the solute here? KOH. So we will write the atomic masses of K 39 plus oxygen 16 plus hydrogen. Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. So therefore 1. Now 56. Okay, 56 gram. Correct. Now volume of solution is given to you 200 ml. It is given in milliliter. Okay. So we will write the formula here. Capital M is equal to WA. Value is 2.8 divided by MA is 56. 56 multiplied by volume of solution is given 200 ml and multiplied by is 1000. Okay, we will calculate it. We will calculate, then answer will be 0.25, approximate 0.25, and this is capital M, molar, or you can write the 0.25 mole liter inverse. Okay, because mole per liter is, this is the formula, mole per liter. Moles of the solute dissolved in the 1 liter of solution. So we can write its unit molar, or we can write its unit mole liter inverse or mole per liter, correct? So this is the answer, 0.25 molar. Okay. Now next I am taking, I think you have understood about the molarity of the solution, correct? There is a big difference between the molarity and molarity. What do you understand by molarity? Molarity, number of parts by mass or number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 kilogram of solvent. That is its molarity, and it is represented by small m. But what do you understand by molarity? Number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution. Okay, that is called its molarity. Okay, molarity of the solution, and it is represented by capital M. Okay. Next numerical based on the molarity. I am taking question is how much volume of 10 molar H2SO4 will be required to prepare 500 ml 2 molar, and question is 2 molar H2SO4 solution. H2SO4 solution. This is the question. Okay. Now you have to write the formula, and formula will be used M1V1 is equal to M2V2. This is for H2SO4. This is also for H2SO4. हमें 10 मोलर H2SO4 से 2 मोलर H2SO4 सॉल्यूशन प्रिपेयर करना है. ओके. कितनी मोलरिटी का सॉल्यूशन दिया हुआ था H2SO4? 10 मोलर का, और हमें इसे बनाना है 2 मोलर. करेक्ट. और इसका वॉल्यूम दिया हुआ है 2 मोलर का 500 ml. सो M1 हमें कैलकुलेट करना है, हमको वॉल्यूम कैलकुलेट करना है, V1 कैलकुलेट करना है, और मोलरिटी इसकी दी हुई है 10. तो 10 इंटू V1 इज इक्वल टू M2 इज गिवन. साइड में आप लिख लीजिए क्या क्या दिया हुआ है, विच वैल्यूज आर गिवन टू यू. M1 is given 10 molar. Okay. M2 is given 2 molar. M1 is 10. M2 is 2 molar. And V2 is also given to you 500 ml. Correct? 500 ml. And V1 you have to calculate. Okay. So M1 V1 is equal to M2 is 2 multiplied by V2 500. And you have to calculate 2 into 500 divided by 10. Okay. 100 ml answer. Okay. So in this way you can solve this question. Okay. This type of question you can solve like this. Okay. Now, and from practical point of view, this is the most important question from practical point of view. Okay. Next term is normality. Normality. This is also very important, and it is represented by capital N. Okay. What do you understand by normality of the solution? Number of gram equivalents of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution is called normality of the solution. I am writing the definition here. Number of gram equivalents. Number of gram equivalents of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution is called normality of solution, and it is represented by capital N. Okay. So formula will be capital N will be equal to gram equivalence of solute divided by volume of solution in liter. Okay. Or we can write this capital N equal to gram equivalent of solute divided by volume of solution. If it is given in ml, then you have to change it into liter by multiplying by 1000. Okay, this is the formula to calculate normality. Okay, now I will tell you about the calculation of gram equivalents of solutes. What do you understand by gram equivalents of solute? Actually, we will use equivalent weight in place of molar mass of the solute. That is a little change between the moles of solute and gram equivalent of solute. So first I am taking the gram equivalent of solute. Gram equivalent of solute will be equal to weight of solute in grams divided by equivalent weight. In place of molar mass, we will take the equivalent mass, okay, equivalent weight or mass of solute, okay, in grams. It is in grams, it is in grams, okay, and it is represented by WA and it is represented by capital EA. EA means, E means equivalent of A, correct? In place of capital MA, I am using capital EA. It represents the equivalent mass or weight of solute in place of molar mass of solute. This is equal to gram equivalent of solute. So we will write the values. We will substitute these values in place of this gram equivalent of solute in the formula. Therefore, capital M will be equal to WA upon EA multiplied by volume of solution in ml into 1000. This is the formula, okay. In place of molar mass, OM, only we are using the EA, okay. Now, so this is the normality of the solution. Gram, in place of moles of solute, we are taking the gram equivalent of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution. That is called as normality. It is represented by capital N, and gram equivalent of solute is equal to weight of solute upon equivalent mass of solute, correct? And we will substitute the whole values in the formula and we will get this formula for normality. Now I will do a numerical based on normality. Question is, gram of 4.9 gram of H2SO4 sulfuric acid has been dissolved in water and volume is made up to 5 liters. Okay, calculate the normality of the solution. Calculate the normality of solution. First of all, we have to calculate the normality of solution. First of all, we will write the formula for normality. Answer or solution. Normality, capital M, will be equal to WA, weight of solute, upon equivalent weight of solute multiplied by 1000 upon volume of solution in milliliter, ml. This is the formula of normality. Now WA, weight of solute, WA will be equal to 4.9 gram, correct? It is given in the question. Now equivalent weight of H2SO4 will be equal to molar mass of H2SO4 acid upon its basicity. Correct? Okay. Molar mass of molar mass of H2SO4. First of all, we will calculate the molar mass of solute. Molar mass of H2SO4 will be equal to 2 plus sulfur. Atomic mass of sulfur is 32 plus 4. Atomic mass of oxygen 16. 16 for 64. It means 98 gram. Okay, 98 gram. Now its basicity number of liberated H plus ions equal to 2. Its basicity is 2. Therefore 98 divided by 2, 49 gram. Okay. Now and volume of solution is given equal to 5 liters. 5 liters. So it is given in liters, so there is no need to change ml into liter. So we will not multiply by 1000. Okay, we will write the formula here. Capital N is equal to WA upon EA into not for 1000, 1 upon volume solution in liter. Okay, so all the values we will substitute. Capital N equal to WA is given 4.9 upon EA is we have also calculated 49 multiplied by 1 upon volume is given 5 liter, therefore 5. Okay, now we will calculate this. Okay, first of all, it's very important to know about that the volume of solution is given in ml or liter. So okay, if it is given in liter, then there is no need to change into liter by multiplying 1000. Okay, but it is given in ml, then you have to change into it in the liter by multiplying 1000. Okay, so remember this. Now we will calculate. So normality of the solution, we will calculate it equal to, answer will be 0.02 normal. Okay, capital N is its unit. Okay, this represents normal. Okay, in this way we will calculate the question. Okay, so you can do any sum or numerical by using this formula for the normality of the solution. Okay, now next point I am taking formality. Last point. Formality of the solution, and it is given by capital F. Okay, the number of formula mass of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution is called formality of solution. some salts, especially ionic salts. Ionic salts represent the formula mass. It means the molar mass of the NaCl will be equal to its formula mass. So formula will be formality capital F is equal to WA upon FA. In place of MA and EA, I am using here formula mass of solute into 1000 upon volume of solution in ml. Okay, formality of the solution. Okay, therefore formula mass, suppose NaCl formula mass, we will do the sum here based on it. Question is, suppose 12.2 gram benzoic acid, 12.2 gram benzoic acid has been dissolved in benzene and diluted up to 250 ml. Then calculate the formality of the solution. Calculate the formality of solution. Okay. So formula will be solution FWA upon formula mass of solute multiplied by 1000 upon V solution ml. Correct? This is the formula. By substituting on the FA, it means we calculate the FA formula mass of solute will be equal to formula mass of solute benzoic acid C6H5COOH. This is the formula of benzoic acid. So we will calculate first of all its molecular mass. Molecular mass is 12 into 6 plus 5 plus 12 plus 16 multiplied 2 plus 1. Calculate it. It will be equal to, I think, 122 gram. Correct? But benzoic acid show association. It means two molecules joins with each other into the solution. So formula mass will become double. So this will you have to keep in the mind. देखो कुछ सॉल्ट्स होते हैं जैसे आयनिक सॉल्ट्स हैं, ये एसोसिएशन नहीं दिखाते. एसोसिएशन मीन्स दोनों मॉलिक्यूल का आपस में जुड़ना. कुछ सॉल्ट्स ऐसे होते हैं जो पानी में वाटर में डिजोल्व करते ही एक दूसरे से एसोसिएट हो जाते हैं, यानी जुड़ जाते हैं, जुड़कर वो डबल हो जाते हैं, तो उनका मॉलिक्यूलर मास भी डबल हो जाता है. जैसे कि बेंजोइक एसिड जो है वो वाटर में जब डिजोल्व करते हैं, जैसे एसिटिक एसिड बेंजोइक एसिड, ये वाटर में डिजोल्व करने पर एसोसिएशन शो करते हैं, तो इनका जो फॉर्मूला मास है वो डबल हो जाता है. तो वी विल यूज द डबल फॉर्मूला मास. Fa will be equal to 122 gram 122 multiplied by 2. 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 2 1 the 2. We will use the formula mass 244 gram in place of 122 gram. But if NaCl is there in place of benzoic acid or acetic acid, यदि NaCl है, आयनिक सॉल्ट है, benzoic acid और acetic acid की जगह, तो वो एसोसिएशन शो नहीं करता. तो उसका फॉर्मूला मास क्या होता है? NaCl का फॉर्मूला मास होता है 23 plus 35.5. It means 58.5. So we will use the 58.5 in the place of Fa. Fa की जगह हम 58.5 ही यूज करेंगे, इसको डबल नहीं करेंगे. लेकिन जो एसोसिएशन दिखाते हैं मॉलिक्यूल्स, उनका डबल फॉर्मूला मास यूज करेंगे. तो यहाँ पे हो जाएगा F will be equal to WA is 12.2 divided by 244 multiplied by 1000 ml. How much volume is given? 250 ml. So So 250, and we will calculate it. Answer will be 0.2 formal. Answer will be 0.2 formal. Okay, this is the answer. 0.2 formal. So if some molecules which show the association into the solution, when they dissolve in the solution, they show association, then formula mass will be double to its molecular weight. यदि बेंजोइक एसिड और एसिटिक एसिड आपको दिया हुआ है तो वो मॉलिक्यूल्स वाटर में एसोसिएशन दिखाते हैं, उनके मॉलिक्यूल्स आपस में ऐड हो जाते हैं और उनका मॉलिकुलर मास जो होता है वो डबल हो जाता है, तो फॉर्मूला मास हम डबल ही यूज करते हैं. ओके, चलिए, टिल देन गुड बाय, टेक केयर, सी यू. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सब्सक्राइब माय